So Instagram actually released a new update where we can now zoom in and zoom out on Instagram Reels. And if you want to be able to know exactly how to do this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually, firstly, what you're going to do, you need to actually close your Instagram app firstly, and instead you're going to go into your App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you have an Android. And in here we're just going to search for Instagram in here. So search for Instagram, then scroll down, and as you can see, if you have this blue button in here where it says update, it's actually very important that you click on it, because if you don't have the latest update for your Instagram app, then most likely it will not work. So the reason why you need to have the latest update in here, and by the way, this should not log you out of your Instagram account, just so you know, what will happen instead is that you're going to auto update your Instagram app to the absolute latest version, which you need to be able to do, because this feature, to be able to zoom in and zoom out, it's like a new feature on Instagram, and if you don't have the new update, like most likely you will not be able to have the new feature, obviously. So you're just going to wait a couple of seconds, and after it's done, you're going to see like a blue button where it says open. And by the way, if you don't have the update button, that's great, because that means that you already have the latest version, and then we can just proceed to the step number 2 in just a couple of seconds. It always takes a couple of times, unfortunately, or a couple of seconds for the Instagram app to update, because it's like a big app in general, like it's not smaller app, so it takes a bit more like memory on your phone. So now what you're going to do, we're just going to select a random reel in here. Just a second, I'm just going to take one that is not crazy, basically. Let's take this one as an example, and then what you're going to do, you're just going to take your 2 fingers and just, zoom in and zoom out like this, basically, as you can see, and it works. So yeah, basically this is exactly how to do this.